I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you today. And will SQL Server or SQL as a language in general with the concept of databases become obsolete in the upcoming years? Well, let's take a look at this tool that I just found and it was written or is being managed by a friend of mine from Twitter. As you can see in here, I have AI to SQL, which is an AI-powered SQL generator that lets you write your SQL in seconds. Let's take a look. I do have some tables in here, like sales and salary and stocks and avocado, and I want to write a query in here, right? But I want to write this query in plain English. Let's give it a try. In which region I have the largest sales? Let's say that this is my query that I want to, my question that I want to get answered. I just hit generate SQL and 3, 2, 1, select store location, summarized by the item price as total sales from the sales table, grouped by store location, ordered by total sales, and limited to just one. As you can see, this is a perfectly good SQL code generated by this AI-powered tool. Now, does it mean that SQL Server or SQL language or database concept itself will become obsolete? Well, it can be automated. But this tool in here, this tool that you're seeing in here right now on the screen, it also needs to reach for the database. It needs to have the data models that are being prepped, that are being trained, that are being expanded and enriched and updated, upgraded, maintained. And every single one of those tasks that I've just mentioned, they do need people who will do that. For the next 10-15 years, we will still need those people, and we need people who not only know how to write this super short, very simple code in SQL or any other database related language, so the dialect like TSQL, PLSQL, and so on and so forth, but we need to have more advanced personnel who knows how to get more out of this code and how to improve this code that is being initially generated by the AI. So if you really want to get your game to the higher level, don't wait, go to SQL Bootcamp Online, master the basics, and then advance to Data Platform Academy. I will see you on the other side.